Hey, what's up guys, this is Akhilan from AkhilanTech. OnePlus. You might have probably heard about that brand. Once upon a time, OnePlus was defined as a flagship killer. But is it still the flagship killer? Probably no. You might see the prices of OnePlus smartphones rising continuously. But why a smartphone brand which was defined as a flagship killer has become a true flagship? Let's deep dive into it. Let us look at the flashback of OnePlus. OnePlus was established in the year 2013. It was a part of BBK Electronics. If you want to know more about BBK Electronics, I recommend you to watch my earlier video here. OnePlus' first smartphone was OnePlus One. It was launched at the price tag of 22,000 rupees. It was a true flagship killer with the Snapdragon 801 chipset. Later, OnePlus 2 smartphone was launched at the price bracket of 23,000 rupees. Then, the OnePlus had launched the game-changing smartphone. It was the OnePlus X. It was powered by the Snapdragon 801 chipset at the price bracket of 16,999 rupees. This smartphone was embedded with the premium specs at an affordable price. With this smartphone, the OnePlus was defined as the flagship killer. Slowly, the OnePlus had started launching 2 phones per year, that is a phone for every 6 months. With the regular models, the OnePlus had started launching the T-series smartphones. The first smartphone in this lineup was the OnePlus 3T. This was the first OnePlus smartphone to touch the price bracket of 30,000 rupees. Next, OnePlus 5 smartphone was launched in 2017 at the price bracket of 32,999 rupees. Later that year, OnePlus 5T smartphone was also launched with the same price tag. In 2018, OnePlus 6 was launched at 39,999 rupees, the higher variant, which nearly touched the 40,000 price tag. Next, OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro smartphones touched the price tag of 50,000 rupees. Last year, OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro smartphones was launched at the price tag of rupees 41,999 rupees and 60,000 rupees respectively. Recently, OnePlus had launched the successor, which is the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro with the Hazelblad partnership, which nearly touched the price bracket of 70,000 rupees. By this, clearly we can say that OnePlus is trying to compete with the flagship brands like the Apple and the Samsung. But do you think the people will buy a OnePlus smartphone by spending 70,000 rupees? I think the answer will be no, because at that price bracket of 70,000 rupees, most people will choose to buy Samsung if they like Android or an iPhone if they are interested in iOS. As I said earlier, the BBK Electronics consists of many popular companies such as the Vivo, iQOO, Oppo, Realme and the OnePlus. If you deeply observe, each of these brands are available only at a specific price bracket. Like the budget smartphones, which is under 20,000 rupees, is occupied by Realme. The Vivo and Oppo had occupied the mid-range smartphones, which is between 20,000 and 30,000 rupees. Before, at that price bracket of 30,000 rupees, we had OnePlus. But now, iQOO had entered that market at the price tag of 30,000 to 40,000 rupees. But above 50,000 rupees, there are no smartphones of BBK Electronics. So, BBK had increased the OnePlus smartphones nearly to 50,000 rupees and even more. It is trying to compete with the Apple and Samsung brands at that flagship level. So, what do you think about the OnePlus, which is now a true flagship? Tell me your opinions in the comment box below. My next informative video is going to be on chip shortage, which had recently taken place, and will it affect the price of smartphones? So stay tuned for that. And that's all from this video. If you find this video informative, drop us a like down below and share this video. If you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you will be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. And also, don't forget to watch this video out there because it will be way more interesting. And that's it for me today guys. I'll see you in my next video. Yes.